Hey everyone, today, let's dive into the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a premium SUV that's known for combining off-road capability with luxury and comfort. Here's an overview of its key features. Exterior. The 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee retains its rugged yet sophisticated design. It features a bold front grille, LED headlights, and sharp lines that give it a refined yet powerful stance. The SUV also comes with available larger alloy wheels, sleek roof rails, and new color options to elevate its appearance. The overall design reflects Jeep's heritage while embracing modern aesthetics. Interior. Inside, the 2025 Grand Cherokee offers a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials, including available leather upholstery, wood accents, and ambient lighting. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen with Jeep's Uconnect system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Spacious seating for 5 or 7 in some trims ensures comfort for all passengers, and there's ample cargo space for road trips or daily errands. Performance. Under the hood, the Grand Cherokee offers a range of engines, from a standard V6 to an optional V8 for those seeking more power. There's also a plug-in hybrid option, FORS, for better fuel efficiency. With advanced off-road capabilities, including selectable terrain modes and available four-wheel drive, the 2025 Grand Cherokee continues to be a strong contender for both on-road comfort and off-road adventures. Safety. Jeep has packed the 2025 Grand Cherokee with a host of safety features. Standard and available safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer even more advanced systems, including a surround view camera and night vision assist. Pricing. The base model starts around $40,000. But pricing goes up depending on the trim and features. Higher-end models, such as the Overland or Summit Reserve, can push the price beyond $60,000. Overall, the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a well-rounded SUV, offering luxury, technology, and performance while maintaining the brand's signature ruggedness. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter with style or an off-road vehicle with luxury, the Grand Cherokee has you covered. What are your thoughts on this SUV?